Hi, right now I want to know what Python library is being used for password encryption on my demo application. So that means that we will have the opportunity to see some of Ace GitHub integration. So let's get started by searching for the Git repo of the application just to get in context. And now we can ask Ace for the money question, that is to analyze the source code of the application and look for the Python library that is being used for the password encryption. So Ace cloned the repository to safely go through the files without risking the original source files. And it found out that we're not using any specific Python libraries here for the encryption job, but we are pulling some functions from the Verkzoid security module for some password hashing actions. And if we continue reading here, we can see that Ace is giving us a quite complete report on which functions of the module are being imported and in which files they're being used. And I must say that this is actually a way more complete answer than what I was expecting. So I am very happy with what I got here with Ace.